Welcome to Miss Nolan's first online science experiment. This is my niece, Lily. Say hi.
Hi.
So since we have been learning about the importance of washing our hands and keeping our hands clean, we're going to do an experiment with germs. Lily, what do you think about germs?
Germs always make you very sick.
Germs will make you sick, which is why we have to make sure we wash our hands. So for this experiment, all you need is a bowl of water,
Check.
pepper,
Check.
soap.
Check.
Okay, so first, step one, you have to pour the pepper into the water. You want to help me, Lily?
Yeah.
And Lily, what does this pepper represent? What is this pepper?
Germs.
The germs, that's right. Okay, lots of germs out there. All right, so we have the germs.
Oh, guys, your mom is going to do it.
That's okay. It's okay. Okay, so Lily, I need you to get this finger and I want you to stick it in the germs. Oh my goodness. What got on your finger? Germs. Ew. See those germs on her finger? Okay, so now with the other finger, Lily, we're gonna put a little bit of soap on it. Hang on, straighten out your finger. Straight finger. All right, we're gonna put the soap on your finger. Now watch what happens when we put your finger with soap in the germs. What happened?
It went away.
Did germs get on your finger this time?
No.
No, because we use soap. That's exactly right, Lily. Okay. Wash all those germs off. Ew, ew, ew. All right, so make sure you're washing your hands.
Very good.
Very good, so you can stay safe, healthy, and clean.
Yeah, and the germs are too small to look.
Yeah, you can't see germs, right? So you don't even know if they're there.
Yeah,
So you have,
they're too small.
yeah. All right. Thank you for watching our science experiment. Good night. Say good night, Lily.
Night.
Okay.